everyone, Dave Cook, D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are hanging designer wallpapers. And there is the pattern number. So the wallpaper we got from JC Licht in Geneva, and Chad and Daniel are working away at this brick pattern. It was just white walls. We painted the house a couple weeks ago, and we waited for the wallpaper to come in. So the brick is going up around the cabinets just until we get to that corner, and then the rest of it's gonna be painted. All right, Daniel, Chad, so you guys are started, you've been hanging the stuff, so what do you say about the paper?
Nice. Nice and thick material.
What kind of paste are you using?
Dynamite 234.
Nice. Then we primed it about a week ago. Well, actually we primed it when we painted it with draw type white pigmented primer. So with, you got the brick, it's got the horizontal and vertical lines. So how do you keep it so it's level and plumb?
How do I keep it level and plumb?
Yes.
So we have this nifty laser where it's a vertical and a horizontal. So we can either go with the option of staying with the horizontal line.
Yep.
But the grout lines aren't too straight anyways on this one. So we like to stick with the vertical. And as long as you keep riding that vertical straight, nice and plumb, it'll stay. The only thing is that there is like little inconvenient angles in the ceiling, and some houses are built, but this one seems to be okay.
Nice. So where did you guys start?
All the way on that inside corner over there, to the left of the mantle.
So why'd you start there?
Finding for me personal is I go left to right, as the pattern usually is on wallpaper. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then as we got to this area where it's gonna need bits and pieces of the wallpaper, that way we can cover a lot more. In the beginning, yeah, use scraps towards the end, match that pattern.
Got it. All right. Well, it looks nice. Hopefully homeowners like it, but I think it's pretty cool. You guys have questions about hanging wallpaper in your home or business, give us a call at D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.